Hey everyone, here's how to flip a coin and make it land the way you want it to. So let me demonstrate. I got a quarter here. First I'm gonna make it land heads, and then I'm gonna make it land tails. All right, first heads, heads, and now tails. And we got tails. You're gonna grab the coin with your middle finger and thumb, right on the edge. So not like this, but like this. And you're gonna gently toss it straight up. At the same time, you snap your fingers. So it'll look like this. And so what happens is the coin doesn't actually flip in the air. What happens is it moves like this and gives the illusion that it's flipping in the air. So if you want the coin to land heads up, you'll have heads facing up and you will toss and snap. And heads.